Our defense manufacturing sequence implements military engineering protocols, ensuring combat-proven reliability for global military deployment.
As you can see from the data logs, the units are maintaining stability.
Excellent. That ensures effectiveness in the extreme environments.
Phase 2 engagement protocols active. Threat parameters holding steady.
Data acquisition confirms operational effectiveness. Initiating final calibration sequence. Ensure all protocols are verified. Reliability metrics are nominal for global deployment. Fabrication utilizes classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols to ensure operational effectiveness. The sequence utilizes classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols to ensure defense contractor excellence and operational effectiveness.
Defense manufacturing sequence showing combat-proven methodologies implementing operational readiness validation for military deployment.
Tactical performance testing is active.
The simulation shows successful integration in maritime theater.
Operational effectiveness confirmed.
Production line reports missile guidance package ready for deployment. Acknowledged. Uploading strategic coordinates now. All systems nominal for global distribution.
Phase 3 materials integrity at 98%.
Acknowledge. Reroute coolant flow to Sector Gamma.
Initiating protocol Gamma. System integrity holding at 98%. Confirmed. Auxiliary power coupling is nominal.
This seal confirms compliance with military engineering protocols. Quality assurance confirms operational effectiveness for deployment.
Breakdowns. This module needs final diagnostics before integration. The system checks passed, it's cleared for installation.
Implementing military engineering protocols, we ensure tactical operational readiness and effectiveness throughout global military deployment. Logistics confirms deployment readiness for Aegis Units 7 through 12. Acknowledged. Uploading flight profiles now. We utilize classified equipment to implement military engineering protocols, ensuring combat readiness and proven reliability. We implement military engineering protocols using classified production equipment, ensuring operational effectiveness for global military deployment.
This calibration must adhere to the new M-spec protocols.
Understood. We've updated the firmware accordingly. Our defense manufacturing sequence implements strict military engineering protocols, ensuring every component meets. Implementing military engineering protocols, our classified production equipment optimizes defense-grade component fabrication with unparalleled precision. Military specification protocols controlling hardened electronics integration, meeting battlefield requirements utilizing classified production equipment. Monitoring data confirms compliance with military specification protocols. Certification documentation is ready for deployment verification. Our hardened facilities execute military standard testing under simulated combat conditions, utilizing classified production equipment.
The stress test data confirms Level 1 specifications.
Initiate the sealing protocol immediately. We need this ready for deployment. Implementing military engineering protocols ensures classified quality standards, guaranteeing operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
Manufacturing protocols confirmed. The tactical unit is performing above specifications in simulated combat.
Deploying final sequence parameters now.
Implementing military engineering protocols ensures compliance.
This section here ensures the combat-proven reliability we need downrange.
It adheres strictly to the military engineering protocol.
The integration of hardened electronics follows strict military specification protocols, ensuring operational effectiveness for global deployment.
The stress test results on Unit 901 are uploaded. Confirmed. Thermal scan shows green across the board.
Did we verify the MLSTD compliance on this unit?
Yes, Protocol 7 initialized and confirmed.
The automated systems confirm hardened integrity protocols are met. Operational readiness validation is complete. We are cleared for global deployment. From engineering protocols to validated quality standards, we ensure operational effectiveness and combat readiness throughout global military deployment. Security protocols verified. Engineering specifications met. Operational effectiveness confirmed.
All systems nominal. Simulation complete.
Test protocols verified. Unit 4 is cleared for deployment.
Operational effectiveness confirmed.
Quality control check on Unit 7 is complete.
Verified. The tactical integration sequence can proceed.
Ensure these parameters meet the deployment criteria.
We're running final diagnostics on the targeting system now.
Confirmed. Unit 7 is operational.
The manufacturing sequence is optimized, ensuring system integrity across all units.
The data stream confirms successful deployment in the targeted sectors.
Excellent. Maintain current protocol efficiency ratings. Implementing military engineering protocols ensures combat-proven reliability and operational effectiveness for global military deployment.
The simulation confirms battlefield effectiveness. Good.
Prepare the final report for immediate global deployment authorization.
Quality control verified. These tactical systems are cleared for immediate deployment.
Acknowledged. We'll finalize the transfer protocols this afternoon.
Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement combat-proven methodologies to validate tactical operational readiness for global deployment.
From initial engineering to final certification, our protocols ensure combat-proven reliability.
Implementing strict military engineering protocols, our classified production equipment ensures battlefield-tested performance, guaranteeing operational effectiveness. From hardened manufacturing facilities, we implement military engineering protocols, ensuring precision and operational effectiveness for global deployment. Secure packaging operations require strict adherence to protocol, utilizing tamper-evident materials and proper classification marking for safe transportation. Material fatigue test results are nominal across the composite plating.
The optimization protocols are working. We are clear for validation phase 3.
Our focus is maintaining exceptional manufacturing excellence by strictly following all classified operational protocols and defense standards. The transformative strategic importance of this jamming equipment factory cannot be overstated. It is the heart of our integrated defense production.